It looks like I'm getting a hole in the side of my trousers. What does a good gardener use when he's trying to fix holes in his trousers? Cabbage patches. This calls for this week's new job title, Excellent Joke Detective.
You're not still using that job of the week format, are you?
Well, I thought it was quite a good idea.
You've already run out of good ideas.
You okay there, Barry?
Hi, it's just allergies. I'll get over it.
Barry? Barry? Bazza? Batmobile? Barry, where are you? Okay, we've got to think logically about this. Don't panic. Barry? Oh, don't panic. Don't panic. Barry! Jeff, crazy, I need your help. I've lost Barry.
I've gone astray like a lost...
Let's go help him.
Wait, no, I've got to finish what I'm reading. Sorry. I've gone astray like a lost sheep. Seek your servant, for I do not forget your commandments.
All right, how do we find him?
Well, we can go ask Randy for help.
Who?
He's the South African guy who taught me how to read.
I thought he was Australian.
Well, he seems to have taken up residence in your laundry room. We can go and ask him for help.
We'll have to ask him. Hello, mate. How's the reading?
Sam's lost, Barry.
Why are you living in my laundry room?
It's got everything I need. A fridge, a washing machine.
What about a bed?
A fridge, a toilet, a washing machine.
All right, we're going to circle back to this at some point, but first we've got to find my friend, Barry.
I know just the person who can help. Come with me.
Victor. Oh.
Are you living here too now?
Yeah, ever since you enacted the new open garden policy, I've been here. I've been fixing all your wiring too. Now you can turn on your kitchen light without your neighbors from having to have their shower turned off, eh? Yeah?
I didn't understand a word he just said.
We're looking for our friend Barry. Clownfish hat, Superman t-shirt, notoriously bad at mispronouncing the word lawn, and he apparently has disappeared.
Did he sneeze?
Yes!
He's okay. He sneezed again.
What do you mean?
I don't know if you've heard, but there's a very bad virus going around. It's called Sneeze It 2.0. It makes it so that when you sneeze, you immediately become invisible and very, very quiet. Just make him sneeze again. He'll come back.
Well, we have to try it. I'll try anything. We can't have just lost Barry. We can't. Let's go. Barry!
All right, landlord.
Barry!
Oh.
Social distancing, social distancing. Oh, Barry.
No. This reminds me of this week's memory verse. Luke 19, verse 10. For the Son of Man came to find and restore the lost. Just like Sam would have done anything to find Barry again, Jesus came and did everything to find us.
Yep, I called that.
Where are you from?
Scotland.